some introductions. This department was established in year 1969, and initially PhD and MPhil courses were started, and MPhil course discontinued due to National Education Policy in 20, and thereafter MSc was started in 1973, and Diploma in Vedic Mathematics in 2018, and BSc course from 2021. And it is also started according to the National Education Policy. And as per the UGC norms, we have 42 seats in PhD, and currently almost 66, 24 or 25 students are there who are working for PhD. In MSc we have 30 seats intake, and in BSc we have 36 intake. एक प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे है कि हमारा डेटा ये 30 सीट्स के अकॉर्डेंस में पिछला डेटा कवर नहीं करता, जबकि पहले हमारे पास सीट कम थी है ना प्लेसमेंट, तो इससे भी कहीं किसी समय बता दिया जाएगा अगर ये है ना 30 के फ्रॉम ओनली दिस ईयर वी हैव 30 सीट्स, बिफोर दिस ईयर वी हैव only 20 seats, only 20 seats, and initially when the campus was started there were only 10 seats for postgraduations. It was developed as a institute of advanced studies, so selected students were there. So in our MSc, BSc and Vedic Mathematics courses we have 100% filled seat, and every times we received more than 10 times applications of the seats. इसे बोला जाए कि नहीं, इसको तो छोड़ो सर, इसमें कभी कोई डॉक्यूमेंटेशन मांग नहीं।
हाँ, इसमें छोड़ो कि 10% वो तो सीधी सी बात है कि ये 100% फिल हो रही है, तो मोर देन 100% में मोर देन 100 होगी एप्लीकेशंस।
वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स तो बनता है। These are the faculty members. We have one senior professor, Professor Anup Gupta, and 3 professors. And one associate professor and one assistant professor. All the faculty members are net and having good publications in their research area. Total publications during last 5 years are we count here only Scopus and SCI index journals. There are several papers which published in UGC index journals, but here we have taken only this number. 276 research papers published in Scopus and SCI index journals, and during this duration 3 books are authored according to National Education Policy, and this is the year-wise distributions. In 2017-18 61 papers were published from the department, and 18-19 41, then 19-20 49, 20-21 69, and 21-22 56. थोड़ा सा अप डाउन है, पर
नहीं वो तो सर ऐसा ना पेपर्स का अप डाउन तो चलते ही रहता है।